We lost the spacer and the cotter pin for the wheel, so we are now walking back down the street trying to figure out where the heck it went. We got Caden helping us out. Say what's up to YouTube, Caden. He said, what? I think I have a spacer that'll work, and if you said do you have an extra cotter pin?
Yeah.
It's not something that you need? I was gonna say, if not, I got some wire that'll work, some welding wire that I'll throw on there and it won't come off. All right, let's go see. Caden's gonna go see if he has an extra cotter pin. I think I have a spacer that will work. Take him either in the backyard or inside. All right, so I do have, in one of these boxes I have, it might be this box, I think I have some spacers. Oh, that's bolts. That's a clutch. In this box right here, I have this spacer right here, which would work. Is this two? Yeah, this is two spacers. How the hell did both of those get in that pack? Let's see. It might not. We'll have to see. I'll bring some wire too, just to be safe. But
This wire?
huh? Yep. No, the thicker stuff. This stuff.
I can carry it for you if you want me to.
That's fine. I'm just gonna take a piece of it though. So I have a spacer right here. That should work. Yeah, take him in the house. I don't know what. I just told Anar to take him inside. Yeah, I told Anar to probably take him inside. You can just stick him in the house. It'll be fine. What's that, Caden?
Here's a piece of super thick.
All right, cool. Yeah, we'll have to grab that and some of that other stuff because I don't know if it'll actually fit. Right. In one of these boxes, I have some large washers. It's right here, and this one down here, I think. Yep, here's a large washer. And here's some more.
Huh? Do you want me to just go back down to the car?
Yeah, we'll go down there in a second. I just wanted to grab washers that'll actually fit it, which this one will work. This one will work. That's fine if you want. We got to put the washers on before you put that on, though, okay? All right, let's go see if the spacer will work in this. You grab both of those wires, Caden? Cool. Look, this is Caden's new racing kart body. It's pretty badass. Ugh. We just left the cart down. We just left the cart all the way down at the end of the street. Well, did it turn okay? It did? Yeah, like I said, you'd have been better off going around the block, because then it wouldn't you don't have to turn so sharp. Clearly, it don't turn very sharp, you know what I mean? All right, sorry for my sketchy videography. I'm not the best at this, but however, we do have a small spacer that might work that I bought for the clutch. We also have this washer, and he has the pin. It should fit.
Yeah. Just have to bend it a little bit.
Oh yeah, this will work. You find it? Oh, it's the bearing. Oh, they had a bearing on there. That's cool. Look at that. You found the bearing for it. Instead of that spacer, that bearing will work great. The washer that I had ain't gonna work. So will that go through there or no? That one?
This might.
Yep, perfect. Well, it hooks, so it probably won't go all the way through. Let me see.
I also got some wire.
Oh shit. Jesse, hold this camera. Hold it, make sure you hold it where you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to bend it to where it will actually work, but that ain't gonna stay on there. It might, I don't know. I don't see it coming out. You know what I mean? Whatever, if it comes out, it falls off again, we got that. Let's see if I can push it out. Yeah, it ain't going off.
If it falls off again,
all right, Jesse, get back on it.
if it falls off again, I'm just gonna when we come back around, I'm just gonna take it to my garage because my dad might.
Okay, you can have it back when we get down there. We'll just use the wire. All right, you should be good to go, buddy. Give it some beans and then stop when you get to my truck. Go fast, fast. It's sketchy. You need to stop turning the wheel so much. I don't know why I keep turning the wheel back and forth. Well, as you can see, guys, it works. The power wheel is going to be much better. It'll be a lot better. It'll have suspension and all that, but I figured might as well make this thing run before we chop it up. But yeah, awesome. As you can see, the go-kart does work. The wheel fell off, but that's just a small little problem. But yeah, so I think it's about time we start the Power Wheels build now. Have a good one.